moving! Don't look back! I see the road. We're almost there.
Guys, that video you just watched was created by me using a free AI tool, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I did it. So at this point, come with me to my Google browser. Let me introduce you to this free AI tool that you can use in generating images, animating images, as well as creating your videos from text. So if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. If you're yet to like this video, kindly like this video. If you have a video request, please leave it in the comment section. So at this point, I am going to zoom so that you can see the name of the AI tool. So here on my Google, I'll go ahead and search voaifree.com. So I've gone ahead to search. This is the name of the AI. I'll still zoom it for you to see. Now it has brought me to this interface. Now one thing you need to know about this AI tool is this: you can use it for absolutely free, and as you can see here, it says free and unlimited Google Veo AI video generator. So all I will do at this point is for me to scroll like this. Now scrolling like this, here you can see enter your prompt below. Now do not worry about signing up. You don't need to log in and all of that. Once you come, is for you to drop your prompt. So I have my prompt already. All I would do is for me to minimize and then copy my prompt. So I am generating a video ASAP so that you can see it, like we're generating a video together. This is my prompt. I got it from ChatGPT. So here I'll go ahead and okay, this is an advert. In case you encounter this, you can always close it at the top right hand side here, because we are using the free version. So here I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. I've gone ahead to paste my prompt. Here I'll go ahead and click on generate video. I've gone ahead to click on generate video. So at this point, it has brought me to this interface. So now that it has brought me to this interface, all I'm going to do at this point is this: look at my prompt. My prompt is here already. My prompt is here already. So ensure that yours is in video generator. If you want to generate a video, if you want to generate an image, ensure that it is an image generator. You understand? Now if you want to use this platform to write your prompt, you can put it in prompt generator. So now that I am done with that, all I will do now is for me to go ahead and click on generate here. Now I've gone ahead to click on generate, and it will begin to generate for me. So once you click on generate, all you have to do is for you to exercise a little patience and your video will be ready. Now once you click on generate, you have to scroll down like this. Now once you scroll down like this, you see your video generating. Personally, I've used this platform to generate videos, like lots of videos for my faceless channel, and it does not really take time. It does not take time. As you can see, this is 25%. So let me just pause the video. Once it is ready, I'll let you know. So guys, at this point our video is ready, so let's play it. Now before we go ahead to play it, one good thing I love about this platform is that it generates for you in 8 seconds. It generates for you in 8 seconds. So let's play it.
Keep moving! Don't look back!
Okay, so if you want to save it, if you look below here, you see these 3 dots. You see the 3 dots here. You see the 3 dots. You go ahead and click on the 3 dots and you see this download icon. Now I've gone ahead to click on download, and if you look up here, you see downloading file. Once it is done downloading, it will get into my gallery directly. Now let me show you one other thing before we move. Let me show you how to use the prompt generator, because I've noticed that some of my subscribers do not even know how to get a good prompt. So let's move over. This is our video. Let's move over to this place. In order for us to use our prompts, in order for us to use the prompt generator, I'll just go ahead and click on prompt generator. Now that I've clicked on prompt generator, please, I want you to pay close attention. I'll go ahead and write please, I want you to help me with a well detailed prompt of kids playing in a playground. Make it highly professional, realistic, and luxurious and cinematic. The kids should look very beautiful and well dressed. Now, one major problem that most persons are always having is this: they will be like, they can't prompt. Like, I think everybody can prompt. That thing you have in your mind, just tell the AI and it will do it for you. So this is it. I'll go ahead and click on generate a prompt. I'll go ahead and click on generate a prompt here. I've gone ahead to click on generate a prompt, and this is it. It is rotating. It will soon give me the result. You understand? So let's wait for it to get done. Once it is done, I'll show you. So at this point, our prompt is ready. This is it. All I will do is for me to go ahead. I'll go ahead and long press, select all, then copy. So let's assume I want to use these prompt to generate an image. I'll go ahead and click on image generator. I've gone ahead to click on image generator. I'll go ahead and paste my prompt here. Now that I've pasted the prompt, I'll go ahead and click on generate image. I've clicked on generate image. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, as I clicked on generate image, this particular place is now highlighted. Now, all I will do is for me to scroll down like this. Now, I've scrolled down. You can see that my image is now generating. So this is 75%. It's always very fast. So it's almost done. So I'll still use this same prompt to generate a video. Let us see how it's going to be. So at this point it is 100%. Let's wait for it to get done. Now look at our image. If I want to download it, I'll just long press, then click on save image. Now, if I want to use this prompt, the prompt that this particular AI tool generated for me, if I want to use it to generate a video, I'll just click on video. Now, I'll go ahead and select everything in this box. I'll select everything. I'll go ahead and paste the new prompt. Now, you saw the image it generated for me before now. They are white. So I can go ahead and include, I want the children. Oh my goodness, I wrote chicken. I want the children to be Africans. Now, one mistake that most persons are always making, I've gone ahead to click on generate. I've clicked on generate now. One mistake that most persons are always making is this: once they give prompts, like once an AI tool generates a prompt for them, they won't even bother about reading through it. They won't bother about editing it. You understand? They will just do it like that, and at the end of the day they will start feeling like, oh, the AI tool did not give them what they want and all of that. You understand? So guys, let me know if you'll be using this AI tool. Let me know if you know of the AI tool before now. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.